So for number 12, I have a system of linear equations. Now, Henrietta claims that if she gets rid of this top equation and uses a different equation, so one of these, she wants to figure out that using one of these will produce a system with the same solutions. So I actually need to solve this system of linear equations and then figure out which ones are the same. So I'm actually going to use elimination in this case because all my variables are aligned. So if I want to cross these x's out, I'm going to multiply this whole row by 2. So that means I have 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 minus 2x. You have to distribute the 2 to every single term. Plus 8y is equal to 16. My x's cross out. I have 11y is equal to 22. From here I can divide by 11 and I get y is equal to 2. So once I get y is equal to 2, I plug it back into one of these equations, it doesn't matter which one, and solve for x. So I'm going to just choose the bottom equation, negative x plus 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So I get negative x plus 8 is equal to 8. Subtract 8. So I get negative x is equal to 0. I can divide by negative 1 to get rid of that negative, but 0 divided by negative 1 is just 0. So I want to figure out which set of equations will have these same solutions. So I'm going to try each one out. So starting with the first one, x plus 7y is equal to 14, and then my second one I'm keeping. So negative x plus 4y is equal to 8. My x is crossed out. I have 11y is equal to 22, divided by 11. Y is equal to 2. When I plug it back in, I'll find that x is equal to 0. So these are my same solutions as before. So yes, I know that A is an example, is an answer. It says select all, so there's going to be more than one. Let's try B. 2x minus 8y is equal to negative 16. My bottom equation is the same. Negative x plus 4y is equal to 8. I am going to have to multiply this bottom equation by 2 because that'll make my x's cross out. So I have 2x. I'm repeating the top equation. This becomes a negative 2x plus 8y is equal to 16. These cross out. Oh, these cross out and these cross out. I get 0 equals 0. This means infinite solutions. So no, B does not get the same solutions. Whenever you have the same number equaling the same number, you're always going to have infinite number of solutions. So B is out. Let's try C. I have 4x minus 5y is equal to negative 10. So I'm going to have to use this the bottom equation stays the same. Alright, to cancel out the x's, I'm going to multiply this whole row by 4. So I have negative 4x plus 16y is equal to 32. My x's cross out. Now I'm going to take the difference of these two numbers, and because the positive number is the bigger number, it's going to be positive. So this is going to end up being 11y is equal to 22. Divide by 11. I get y is equal to 2. When you plug back in, you'll get x is equal to 0. So yes, this one works. It was the same as my answers up here. So let's go to our last one. Negative x plus 15y is equal to 30. So I have negative x plus 4y is equal to 8. These do not cross out. Negative x minus x gives me a negative 2x. So I have to multiply the bottom or the top equation by a negative. So that means I have one x that's negative, one that's positive, and they'll cancel. So negative x plus 15y is equal to 30. X minus 4y is equal to negative 8. My x's cancel. 15 minus 4 gives me 11y is equal to 30 minus 8 gives me 22. It looks like it's going to be the same as well. So my answers for 12 should have been A, C, and D. You have to bubble all three.